When I first met Dr. Prabhu last year, he surprised me that a scientist could do such diverse things. And his course surprised me uniquely. Not about just the content, but the multiple aspects in his personality. Whether it's about singing, whether it's about mixing with students of this age group which he does not teach at all. From his diverse experience of teaching in Singapore and US, and now that he's based out of Bangalore, when he works with these kids with a simple looking coil and a magnet, he actually forces them to become lifelong learners with a concept that a scientist earlier struggled for days to find out a solution. In these 3 weeks, you will learn how scientists help us take our learning to next level, how they help in our daily routines, how their persistence, how their actions help us look at something beyond what we take it for granted as of now. This learning will be filled with a lot of fun because you could sing, you could dance, but most importantly, you will learn how scientists add perspectives and persist into their hypothesis, which helps you learn. This year, I'm sure Dr. Prabhu is going to add new dimensions to it. So I look forward to this course along with you all in a new format.